Stay tuned as May 2023 is bringing you many interesting astro events that you don't want to miss. New Moon Week will always offer perfect chance to capture the galactic center of Milky Way. May is great month for it. Plus, you can always observe deep sky objects such as star clusters, galaxies, nebulae, etc. around this time. We also have Eta Aquariids meteor shower to look forward to. But before going ahead, if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel and press the bell icon next to it. We regularly post interesting astronomy related videos that you surely can't miss. You may also find us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned in the description. Additionally, links for some useful stargazing apps are also mentioned in the description. Don't miss to check out that also. Welcome to the yet another episode of Astro Events for May 2023, and we'll start our video with full moon and penumbral lunar eclipse. The moon will be located on the opposite side of the earth as the sun on this day, so its face will be completely eliminated. Additionally, you will get to observe penumbral lunar eclipse. A penumbral lunar eclipse occurs when the moon passes through the earth's partial shadow called as penumbra. During this type of eclipse, the moon will darken slightly but not completely. It will take place between 1514 to 1931 UTC. The eclipse will be visible throughout all of Asia and Australia and parts of Eastern Europe and Eastern Africa. Check out the link in the description for more details about the locations to watch the eclipse. Eta Aquariids is an above-average meteor shower that runs from April 19 to May 28. The peak will be on this day at 1438 UTC, producing up to 50 meteors per hour. However, the light from the full moon will totally ruin the experience to observe this meteor shower. This meteor shower is visible from both the hemispheres with best intensity in southern hemisphere. The radiant point from which the meteors appear to be originating will be in Aquarius constellation, but meteors may appear anywhere in the sky. The moon will be located on the same side of the earth as the sun, so it will not be visible in the night sky, making it the perfect opportunity to observe various deep sky objects. Also, because of no interference of the moonlight, this will be the best time to observe galactic center of Milky Way. However, it totally depends on your location. From Spain, for example, you can capture a beautiful diagonal with the galactic center shining. Or if you are in South Africa, try to work a composition with the Milky Way completely vertical. The planet Mercury reaches greatest western elongation of 24.9 degrees from the Sun. This is the best time to view Mercury since it will be at its highest point above the horizon. Look for the planet low in the eastern sky just before the sunrise in the morning sky. A conjunction is an astro event where two or more celestial bodies appear to be closer to each other, but in reality they are separated from each other by millions of kilometers of distance. May 2023 brings you total 5 conjunctions. The moon will appear to be closer to the ringed planet Saturn on this day at 1307 UTC. This conjunction will take place in Aquarius constellation. This time the moon will appear to be closer to the gas giant Jupiter on this day at 1318 UTC. Additionally, it will be an occultation where Jupiter will go behind the moon. This conjunction cum occultation will take place in Pisces constellation. On this day, the moon will appear to be closer to Mercury at 136 UTC. This conjunction will take place near Cetus constellation. This time the moon will appear to be closer to Venus at 1209 UTC. Look for the Gemini constellation where this conjunction will take place. On this last conjunction of the month, moon will appear to be closer to red planet Mars at 1733 UTC. This conjunction will take place in Cancer constellation. Now let's talk about all the planets and what they are up to in this entire month. Being always closer to the Sun, Mercury will be visible just before the sunrise and around the sunset time. It will be near Cetus constellation throughout the month. Also, the best time to observe the planet will be on 18th May at 7:44 UTC. It will be very difficult to see it with unaided eyes, but good pair of binoculars or a telescope would do the work. Additionally, it will appear to be closer to the moon on May 18th, making a conjunction. The brightest planet will be visible throughout the month after the sunset in the western sky. It will be in Taurus constellation at the beginning and will travel to Gemini constellation at the end of the month. It will be visible to the naked eye. Also, it will appear to be closer to the moon on 23rd May, making it a conjunction. Mars, the red planet, will be visible throughout the month after sunset high in the sky, and it will set below the western horizon around the midnight. It will be in Gemini constellation at the beginning and will be found in Cancer constellation at the end of the month. Due to its distinct reddish hue, the planet will be visible to the naked eyes. Additionally, it will appear to be closer to the moon on May 24, making it a conjunction. The gas giant Jupiter will be visible only just before the sunrise in the eastern horizon at around 5:30 am. But then it will be difficult to observe it as it will be hidden in the sun's glare. It will be in Pisces constellation at the beginning and will be found near Cetus constellation around the end of the month. It will appear to be closer to the moon on May 17, making a conjunction. Also, it will be occulted behind the moon at the same time. The ringed planet Saturn will be visible only during pre-dawn hours at around 3:30 am above the eastern horizon. It will be in Aquarius constellation throughout the month. It will appear to be closer to the moon on May 13, making a conjunction. Uranus will also be very difficult to observe as it will be hidden in sun's glare throughout the month. It will be found near Cetus constellation throughout the month. Neptune will be visible at the pre-dawn hours in the eastern horizon at around 4:30 am. It will be found near Pisces constellation throughout the month. So there you have it, all the major astro events that will take place in May 2023. Let us know in the comments section below which of these events you are excited the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. That will mean a lot. This will be an inspiration to create more and more of such interesting videos for you. We will be back with another super interesting video soon. Till then, keep looking up.